part 3, December 23rd, 2022. We've got some kind of an emergency scene here in Yonge Street, Bangor, Maine. Okay. Okay, this big boy right there, ladder truck. And I guess those aren't ambulances, they are some type of rescue. And another vehicle just pulled in behind down there. Wow, that wind is amazing. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything showing, but they must know something's up. Boy, that wind's getting cold with that rain. Yeah, this is pretty heavy-duty stuff right here tonight. Never a dull moment. Trying to cross State Street here without getting run over. Okay. Good shot of a fire truck right there. Boy, smell the diesel. Did I just slow down to wave at me? I don't know who. Okay, there's another fire truck there. Okay, Bangor Fire Rescue. And, huh? I don't know. I haven't heard a thing. They just showed up just about 15 minutes ago. Okay. Another Bangor Fire Rescue. Man, that's some heavy-duty stuff coming down right here.